All right, you guys. So listen, there has been an update on the case, the custody trial case between Martell and Melody. That took place on October 15th, and the judge officially filed the court documents on October 20th, on yesterday. And let's just say it's looking like a huge win for Melody. Now, according to the court order, both Melody and Martell were granted joint legal custody of their minor children. So basically, that means they'll both have a say when it comes to major decisions for things like, what school they'll go to, healthcare, religion, things like that. But y'all know having joint legal custody doesn't mean equal time. And this is where things get real interesting. So, Melody was awarded sole physical custody, which means the kids will live primarily with her. She'll be the one providing their day to day care and maintaining that stable home environment that she's always been able to give to them. And honestly, I am just so happy for her because I don't know if you guys remember years ago, Mel mentioned how it pained her that she didn't get to be with her kids every single week, to have them 1 week on and then they're gone for a week. So that's a huge win for her. Now, as far as Martell, he still has secondary custodial rights, so he'll get visitation according to the court's standard schedule. But get this, y'all, he didn't even show up for the trial. He was absent. So his lawyer was there, but Martell was not. And word on the street is that he skipped the court to film the Love and Marriage Huntsville reunion. So if that's true, I mean, I'm sure they probably knew well ahead of time as to when they were filming. So I don't know. But huge win in Mel's favor. I'm sure the judge is sick and tired of him. But one big detail from the judge's order was that none of the kids can appear on TV or social media for profit unless the court gives permission or until they're adults. Now, it did note that Melody has to cover the guardian ad litem fees, and both parents must continue using the My Family Wizard app to communicate. And also, there was no child support ordered, and that's because the notes state that neither side provided their income information during the hearing. So, at least for now, child support is off the table. Both parents do have to notify each other whenever they travel out of town during their custody time, so the other has first rights to watch the kids. Plus, the kids' primary address for school enrollment will be Melody's home address. So, to sum it up, Melody walks away with sole physical custody, joint legal custody, and full control over where her children live. So that's a plus. And I'm wondering if she will be allowed to move out of the state. I'm not sure if that was discussed. But on the other hand, Martell will get standard visitation and a whole lot of public side eyeing for missing his court day. So this case might be settled for now, but fingers crossed and prayers up that this man does not go dragging her back to court again. So drop down in the comments. Let me know what you all think about this outcome. Was it fair? Should Martell have gotten more time? Or do you think the judge made the right call? I think the judge made the best call. And I honestly feel like the judge, like I said earlier, is just really done and tired with this dragging out for as long as it has. So drop your thoughts in the comments. Make sure you hit the like button, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.